Greetings to you all and welcome to the lesson. We are going to begin revising the meetings, compliance and administration past paper that was done on Wednesday, 3rd August 2022. We'll first answer question number 1. Part A reads, explain the term public place in regard to public order legislation. Explain the term public place in regard to public order legislation. Explain the term public place in regard to public order legislation, 2 marks. Now, candidates, in the context of public order legislation, the term public place refers to any location that is accessible to the general public regardless of ownership or control. So it is any location that is accessible to the general public. A public place is a place or location. It refers to any location that is accessible to the general public, regardless of ownership or control. And it typically includes areas such as streets, parks, sidewalks, public buildings, and any other spaces where individuals have reasonable expectation of access and use. And such places are subject to regulations and restrictions aimed at maintaining order, aimed at maintaining safety and public welfare. So that is a public place. It's not like in my compound where the general public have no reasonable access. Private homes are not public places because such places are not accessible to the general public. But places such as streets, parks, public buildings, in such places, individuals expect to have access. They expect to have use. Individuals expect to have use on sidewalks, on public roads. So public places, as I've said again, are subject to regulations. Such places are subject to restrictions that are aimed at maintaining order, because you cannot do anything you want on a sidewalk because it is a public place. You may be accused of obstruction. So there are certain restrictions to safeguard this, to bring about safety and public order. So a public place is a location that is accessible to the general public. That is the answer. 2 marks.